Yu Yu Hakusho live action is now streaming. It makes me want to make a lunch set inspired by the anime scene. This scene is very cute and food looks so delicious too. Let's go! I start with making the sauce. The ingredients I use are shared over there. After some experiments, I would love to add a hint of vinegar. You won't feel the sour taste much, but it balances all flavors. And the sesame oil gives a nice aroma. For thinly sliced beef, I use hot pot beef. This way it's easier to have a very thin cut when you live in the UK like me, and you don't have to add oil because the beef have enough fat to cook by itself. After the beef is almost cooked, add the sauce and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Keiko serves this with cabbage and tomatoes, but I'm not a fan of cabbage, so I will substitute it with lettuce and make a dressing with these ingredients here. Time for serving. For miso soup, I use instant one. It is a good choice if you don't use miso that much. This set is very easy and delicious. I recommend you try it. And if you want to watch another Yu Yu Hakusho recipe, I have it there.